I'm going to show you how to set character space in the CapCut app. First we have to open up the app, and here I already have a project open. From here we just move to the text box that we want to edit. Then we click on it. Here if we scroll down we have a character, and here we can increase this number, and then the space between the characters is going to increase, or we can decrease it even below 0, like so. Also we have a line, so if we have another text below, this is going to be lower. Yeah, that's basically it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.